overall, the industrial market is certainly very strong in West Michigan. We're seeing renewed interest from international, national, and large regional companies. We think that will continue to go as long as they can find a building and as long as they can continue to find good, quality, skilled workers. If you're an owner of real estate, particularly an owner of investment real estate, something that has a long-term tenant in place and good income stream, it is probably as good a time now as we've ever seen to maximize your value on an investment property. If you're a tenant, you are going to want to be prepared to start locking in deals as we're seeing a reduced inventory of product, vice versa. On the landlord side, we are really seeing a push to term and rate. If we look at what to expect in the third quarter, a couple of things I think we'll see is the first new build-to-suit construction will come out of the ground in the third quarter.
Continuing its momentum from 2011, Grand Rapids Central Business District and Entertainment District continue to be the talk of the town. For 6 straight quarters, the downtown office market has experienced positive absorption. And as a result, for the first time in 3 years, rental rates are on the upswing. Owners of Class A office buildings continue to reinvest and renovate their lobbies, common area hallways, and restrooms. And as a result, are winning long-term lease commitments. Looking forward to the second half of 2012, what can we expect? Renovation, renovation, and more renovation to both the Class A and B office product. We expect the Class A buildings to dominate the leasing market. We look for another 6 months of positive absorption and leasing rates to steadily climb.
As far as leasing activity in the greater Grand Rapids area, the majority of the action and transactions are being done around Woodland, Centerpoint, and Rivertown Mall. Those are the high traffic areas. The transactions there are ranging from anywhere 2,000 to 20,000 square feet. The leasing activity there is fairly high and fairly brisk given the upcoming holiday season. So those are really the highest lease rates around, anywhere from $14 to $22 triple net. 2 major notable projects going on right now within Grand Rapids. One is the demalling of Centerpoint Mall. They're taking an 800 or 900,000 square foot mall and taking it down to about 600,000 square feet. And they're taking the inside malls out and creating more of a lifestyle center where you're going to be entering the stores from the parking lot and be able to park right in front of the stores. So there's a lot of notable activity going on at Centerpoint Mall, which has in the past had aged and now is getting a new life and vibrancy there. Over at the Rivertown area, we've got the new Bucktown project going on, which is 440,000 square feet of new retail space, the largest project in the whole state of Michigan going on right now. Rental rates are between $20 and $25 in this new Bucktown project, but the rates around Rivertown are continuing to increase a little bit because of the new construction, the new activity, and the new retailers that have not been in that market before. If you see it today, grab it today, because there's a very good possibility that tomorrow it's not going to be around. The notable spaces in the high traffic areas are getting picked up fairly quickly. The spaces that are having trouble and challenges in the outlying areas in the submarkets that are age and older buildings are going to continue to have trouble for the landlords as we are overbuilt and under-demolished in some of these older categories. As far as our expectations for the next quarter and beyond that, we feel that the leasable space in Grand Rapids on the retail side, West Michigan, Holland, Kalamazoo area is going to continue to fill up in the high traffic areas, and the rates are going to continue to inch up slightly, and we're going to have some very good positive absorption going into 2013.